My experience is very different with Guruji. I really don't understand where I'll start. Because when I start, then I always think Guruji in my mind that he is light of divine, which really came on earth to bless me, to enlighten my soul, my mind, everything in a humanity way. Today I am more strengthened emotionally, I'm more strengthened physically and mentally. No matters what, I feel very, very calm, very peace. Because as Guruji taught me to meditate yourself, to meditate in the morning, to meditate in the evening, how to meditate, how to connect yourself with the divine force in spiritual form. He has only taught me this thing in a very clear form. Because when you feel that you are blessed, you are yourself a beautiful soul, yes, you have the power to improve anything from impossible to possible. That is, impossible means I am possible. तो ये तो गुरुजी थे जो अपने ऊपर से एक लाइट लेकर आए थे, and who has given me that was not even able to see, because we are all educators. So sometimes, due to stress, due to anxiety, due to depression, हम कुछ भी बोल जाते हैं. And before 6 months back, if I realize, I was not looking young as I am looking in front of you today. It was totally transformated from that period to this period. And I'm very happy. Earlier, I was looking like what I can say, I can, look not like a younger than I'm looking in front of you. I'm more younger, and I'm really blessed that people when say, less than of my age. I'm not here to, telling you my age. I'm not here for this. But this is true that now people say me that you are looking less than as you're looking before. So this is the thing which I have really grasped from Guruji teachings. And I really blessed when I talked to him that thank you so much. My full of gratitude to Guruji always, and it will be forever. When I met Guruji has given me actual guidance on not to react immediately. He has taught me listen more, speak whenever you feel required to speak, right? So now what I'm doing I'm just adopting this phenomena, this philosophy of Guruji, I'm adopting in my professional life too, that today I'm listening more actually. I'm listening to my children, I'm listening to my parents, I'm listening to my staff members, I'm listening to everyone who is coming to me for their own self, for any help. I'm listening to them actually. I'm listening in a very good manner. And sometimes when I sit in my office, I always remember earlier, when you feel some aura of any mentor in your life, any aura of Guruji, any support of Guruji in your life, what you feel? Somehow, believe it, I'm feeling even this time also, you will feel fragrance of rose flowers. जब भी गुरुजी कहते हैं कि सुबह जब हम मेडिटेट करते हैं तो हम अपने आप को ही ये बोलते हैं, यस, मैं एक महान आत्मा हूं, मैं एक ब्यूटीफुल सोल हूं. Why? The moment we say I am beautiful, the moment we say I am blessed, the moment we say I am protected, automatically that period of strength, that period of beautiful life as it is beautiful, which doesn't seem to be earlier beautiful, but now it is very beautiful in front of me. When I chanted, when I meditated according to Guruji guidance, I feel, yes, I am beautiful. Yes, I am blessed. Yes, I am powerful soul who can change everything from impossible to possible. Actually, he has combination of many things because he has also given Ayurvedic treatment that was very well go in positive in a healthy way. Even I even use that was fully a good remedy for my own health, because earlier I was not very worried about my own health. I was not taking care of my own health. But now I realizing after met with him that health is also very important our own life. So even I took Ayurvedic treatment of Guruji also, and I feel very uh, rumored to even I feel that people can cure by themselves if they will take this Ayurvedic treatment from Guruji. One person that is teaching of Guruji has realized you that what you are. अपने आप को पहचानो, आप कौन हैं। जब मैंने अपने आप को पहचान लिया ना, तो बस फिर मुझे लगा कि मैं तो खुद ही डिवाइन लाइट हूँ। When you look in the morning into your mirror and you will say, yes, I am blessed, I am beautiful, I am powerful soul. That's a spirit which you can receive from your mind, from your soul, and from your everything, your inner self, and your face like a blossom, like a flowers, yeah, and lovely crisping birds flying in the sky. Like see, वो ऑरा ही कुछ और होता है जब हम अपने आप को कहते हैं yes, I'm everything. अपना एक हार्ट, एक दिल जो हम किसी की ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए नहीं लगा सकते ना, जब when the moment we not chant the happiness of others, then how can we would be happy? That only and only Guruji has taught us. When we leave this jealous, envy, anxiety, depression, comparison, when we leave all these small things from our own life, what the matters, what the people are saying to you, what the people are saying to you, you will not bother. Duty of disciple to adopt the path of your own mentor and give happiness, security to others also. तो ऐसे जब मैंने फील किया कि पहले मैं sometimes I don't bother about the person, but now I bother about the person. I really keen and concerned why other person is not happy. What is the problem behind it? ये होता ही है, ये बिल्कुल कड़वा सच है। मान के देख लीजिए, करके देख लीजिए। जब आप खुद खुश नहीं है ना, आप किसी को खुश नहीं दे सकते। ये बिल्कुल कड़वा सच है। ये सच है ना, तभी कड़वा है। Because truth is always bitter, And when we go with a lie, हम बहुत खुश हैं। जब हम ऊपर से दिखाते हैं ना, हम बहुत खुश हैं। तो क्या होता है, जब हम अपनी मुस्कुराहट को रोकते हुए अपने आंसुओं को रोकते हैं ना, तो गुरुजी को समझ में आ जाता है कि आज मेरे डिसाइपल ने, हंसी तो आ रही है, लेकिन आज मेरे डिसाइपल ने अपनी आंखों के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा वो वाला दुख छुपा के रखा हुआ है जो कहीं ना कहीं उसको तंग कर रहा है। तो that spirit of insecurity, that unhappiness which I sometimes felt earlier, but now I am very happy. Yes, I'm very happy with others. I'm happy to listening to others. I'm happy to help to others. I'm happy if I'm able to complete my mission and vision in this education and leaders, because I'm relationship international counselor also. So I believe that every relation will be good then only when you put your own efforts